been a while. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a common problem. I think this problem is very common. Yeah. So whereby maybe you have implemented Google reCAPTCHA and then it's not showing right here. It's supposed to show here. This is how I did it. So I'm expecting it to show here, but I can see that it's not showing. And then my button to submit has been disabled. If I enter information right here, that is okay. It's still disabled. And then I don't know the problem. I checked through all the codes. I think the code is intact, but I can't find the problem. So what you have to do first is to go to your Google reCAPTCHA console. So this is my Google reCAPTCHA console. So let's open reCAPTCHA. Okay, so version 3 admin console. You have to click on that. Okay, you have to click on that. Let me choose the application. That's my brain right here. Okay, so you can see this error showing right here. What? Okay, so this that's it. We detected that your site is not verifying reCAPTCHA solutions. Okay, so this is the error they are giving me, and then that's the reason why I'm not seeing it right here, I'm sure. Okay, so let's see how you can fix that problem. Okay, so let's go to settings. Okay, I think you will view in the cloud console, so we have to choose this cloud console. Okay, so click on view in cloud console. The reCAPTCHA here. Let's wait for it to load a little bit. Let me click on it again. And let's wait. Okay, so you can see this is the site. This is it here. See, it's not showing. Okay, so we have to click on the key details here. Key details. Okay, so right down here we will have to go to the integration. So you have to go to how to integrate this particular API. Probably you have missed a step, or maybe you have mistakenly removed part of a code. Okay, so let's click on the integration. Okay, so a minute. Okay, click on it here. Okay, so we click on add a reCAPTCHA to your site. So what you have to do right now is this is how to implement it. Let's say this is going to be our login form. This is how we are going to implement it. But in this case, I've detected that the JavaScript code here, the code right here, the script here was missing in my header file. So I have to copy this particular one and go and place it there. So I have to copy. This is the part I need. So probably you might check this one. If your capture is not working, that's the first thing to do, to check this particular one here. Okay, so let's go to my header. This is my header file. Then maybe can I just create place and put it right here instead of here. Google capture, something like that. Script, something like that. Maybe place it right here. Sorry, I think it was not copied. Play. No, I have to copy it again. Let's do it again. Copy it. Then go back to your code. You paste it right here. Okay. Then when you finish, you save your file, and then come and load. Come and load your website again. Reload it. Refresh it. Okay, so you can see it's right now showing. I enter my email and say http@gmail.com, something like this. Then I will solve it, and that's smart, and I can sign up. And you can see it's working right now. Okay, so it's working. So basically that's how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.